Here's the AMAL carbs I just took off me Triumph. Gonna give these some sonic cleaning. I've got a 3 litre sonic cleaning tank, which I'll do all the carb bits in, and because this Triumph was running a bit rough on tick over the other day, I thought I'd decide to, as I need to do a cleaning video anyway using my sonic cleaner, show you how it works and that. So this is for you, John. This is the show you. I'll take some pictures of these before and after, see if there's much difference in it. What I do is I give them probably give them a couple of hours each in the cleaner. All the bits, taking all the jets and everything out, everything that comes off of them has come off of them. Got all the jets and screws, and I'll just chuck all them in anyway, the whole lot. Everything goes in the sonic cleaner, and we'll see how it goes. Right, let's go and get it ready. I do actually use some proper sonic cleaning fluid. This stuff, you mix it 1 to 10 with distilled water. I wouldn't use tap water because you just get a lime out of that anyway, it's too hard. So once you use this, once you mix this stuff up, it makes a hell of a lot of difference in cleaning from just using plain distilled water. So that's the stuff I use. It just feels a bit like soapy water really once it's mixed up. It wouldn't surprise me if Ferrolic would do the same job, but I expect it to be a bit bubbly. Anyway, let's have a look at the sonic cleaner. So here's the little sonic cleaner I'm using. It's only a 3 litre one. Got heating and a timer, that's all you need really. What I do, excuse the shaky bit, but what I do is, first off, get all the bits that I want to get done, lay them in there as I want them. So I want to get everything in here if I can. That bowl. And that bowl. What else can I go in there? Hey. And now all of the jets and the nuts and bolts and everything. Everything goes in there. Even the little filters are in there. So that's everything. What I do is, I could put them in there, but I don't want them rattling around on top of the carbs really. So them bits can go in at a later time. Trying to get away with that one. What else? Take that off. Chuck that in. I'll put them in afterwards as well at a later time. Another nut. That'll do for now, I think. That's all the main bits. They'll go at a later time. Like nuts and bolts and washers. Right, so that's the setup. Managed to get two AMAL carbs in there. Now we need the fluid, the pre-mixed carb cleaning fluid. And I'll just get that. This is what we distilled water. There, just tip it all in. Fill it up till it covers them up. Let's go right over the top. And that's about it. When I've finished with that, I'll just put it back in the bottle. And it's pretty dirty. I've got loads of bits in it, and then we'll just use some paint filters and filter the shit out and reuse it. Right, I'll be back because I need to carry this in the shed. Right, back in the shed. The only thing, any annoying thing about this really is it's got, you can turn the heating on and off, right, so the heating's off, the heating's on, but it doesn't actually heat up until you start the ultrasonic cleaner, which is pretty annoying because that just stays, I mean that's like 16 degrees. I want to set it to 80 to do carbs. Right, so we're going to set that temperature to 80 and really want to give it a couple of hours. Doesn't go a couple of hours, right, so let's just do it at 1 hour and we'll come back and reset it. So it only goes up to 60 minutes then. It should go more than that surely. Oh, it does, yeah. Won't go up to 120 though, will it? Let's do it at 90. At least it's an hour and a half, isn't it? Right, and there's all the bits that are just soaking in there at the moment. It's plugged in. We're ready to go. Plane flying overhead. The reason I do this in the shed now is because it has such an irritating noise. Drives you nuts after about 10 minutes, and that you're gonna hear now. Imagine an hour and a half of that. If you watch the temperature. Right, here's the carbs now. I've taken them out, pretty clean. I mean, they don't look brand new looking, but they're definitely cleaner than they were when they first went in there. Same as all the bits. I've just got to put it all back together now. So, hopefully that'll solve me the tick over problem out. We shall see. Here's the carbs, all nicely cleaned up now, ready to go on. So I'm just going to plonk them on. Could have taken that off, cleaned it out a bit. But anyway, let's put these on and see what it runs like after they've been cleaned up. I'll be back. Now it's showing what they look like after they've been in the...
Oh, what, your carbs?
Yeah.
Oh, what, you're going to enhance the photo?
Add some sparkle effect too.
Look at them gleam.
This is for the old biker video. These fucking cameras are useless, ain't it? It's like fucking mobile phones, you can't see inside.
Yeah, it's horrible.
We're in shades, you can't see the bloody...
Yeah.
What's the name properly?
Yeah, I hate all that. I prefer the viewfinder, but I can't use a viewfinder at the moment.